is Jared with MBTV. We want to thank St. Croix for letting us be on their pro staff.
We also want to thank them for letting us be a part of this great experience of letting us go inside the tour and watch them make the best rods on earth, St. Croix rods.
We're at the St. Croix factory here, and this is where it all starts.
You were shocked to find out that rods actually start flat.
We thought that the rods originally started out like cylinders, but they actually start out flat. And what this machine does is it takes a round razor blade and cuts each individual piece. Now that's cool. After they're cut by that really cool machine, they're brought here where they're hand rolled onto the mandrels, and it's the perfect blend of technology and handmade craftsmanship. That's why St. Croix is the best rods on earth.
Now they're getting the rods ready for the oven. After the rods come out of the oven, you have to remove the special film that was applied. Hey, check it out, we got the help.
So what are we doing here?
What we're doing is, we got a blank and it has a real rough finish on it. What I'll do is I'll go over, there's a laser over there, and it gives me a diameter of the rod here. I take the diameter measurement here, and I can come over here and I can take 3 to 5 thousandths off, so we get that real smooth feeling. Remember how I touched that rod? Well, that's what we try to do. We take this rough feeling, take that rough finish off. We want it nice and smooth, so when it goes out to the paint room, they'll paint it and get a nice smooth finish. Finished rod.
We were told at this station that there's another quality check, and if the rods are within 5/1000th of an inch, they're chopped up and thrown away. Now that's St. Croix quality.
After they're sanded, it's off to the paint booth where they get painted and then put in the oven for 25 minutes.
This is where they cut off the excess part of the rod, and of course more quality control. Check this out, guys.
This is the only company that uses laser technology to find the straight edge of the rod.
After another quality check, it's off to another building for final assembly. Each and every component they use is the best. Mr. Ballinger's here is showing us the shim. Everyone else uses cardboard, but not St. Croix. Everything's better. Check this out.
Here they are getting the cork ready for the rod. Next, you'll see them apply the glue. Pretty cool, isn't it? Once the handle's put on and the reel holder's been put on, it cures for 24 hours. Then it's brought here where they mark where each and every eye goes.
Here you see her applying the eyes by hand. Pretty cool, isn't it? We actually found out that some of them work at home doing this. This is where they do the final work on the rods, and of course another quality check. You can see this part in the factory store, so if you get the part ball, check it out. Thanks, St. Croix. We had a great time touring and filming your factory of how to make the best rods on earth.
See you in the water.